Hello everyone, my name is GL from GL Tech School. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to copy, move and rename files using CMD. So these commands are self-explanatory and I don't need to explain them. Copy is used to copy file, move is used to move file, ren and rename is used to rename files and folders. Okay, so just add and open the CMD and I'm inside desktop and you can see GL Tech School is my user account and I'm inside the desktop of the GL Tech School. Now what I want to do, I want to copy this Java file into folder 1. So in order to do that, so first of all I want to delete this file which is already there. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to move this file over to this folder. So I need to type move and the name of the file java.txt. Where do you want to move? I want to move to folder 1. So now the file has been moved. If I open cd folder 1 and type dir to see what's inside this, and the Java file is here. If you want to see graphically, you can open the folder and see it. Java file is here. Next, what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this PHP file and put into folder 2. First of all, I need to go back to desktop and type copy and php.txt and the folder 2. Now, because it's asked me, yes, because I have already copied this PHP file here. That's why it's asking me to overwrite the file. I'm going to type yes, so it will overwrite the file. So if the PHP file is not inside this folder, what's going to happen? It will never ask you any questions. And I'm telling copy php.txt folder, and you can see I am pressing my arrow key on my computer to see my previous command. So it is a nice features in CMD. If you press your arrow key, up arrow key and down arrow key, it will show your previous commands that you issued in this interpreter. Okay, I'm going to type copy php.txt and folder 2. If I first enter, it's going to copy the file inside this folder. So next, what I'm going to do, I'm going to rename this PHP as python.py. So in order to do that, I can use ren on rename. So I'm going to use ren. Okay, I'm going to type php.txt. I'm going to name it as .php, python.py, okay, not php. And if I enter, what's going to happen is going to name it, it's going to change the file name and extension, and you can see my text editor Sublime Text is recognizing it's a Python file. Now I'm going to rename it as Java file using the rename command, because before we did with ren today, now I'm going to do with rename, not today, now. Okay, and python.py to java.java. Okay, if I press enter, what's going to happen is it's going to change it as a Java file. So this is how we can rename file. So before I stop this video, I want to show you one thing. So what I want to do, I want to copy this Java program.java to folder 1. So how can I do that? In order to do that, I first need to go to folder 2. Okay, and type copy java program.java to back. So this what does it means? Backslash means go back one step, which means you are inside folder 2 now. Go one step back, which means you would be in desktop. Now you need to go to folder 1. So if you press enter, what's going to happen is going to copy the file inside the folder 1. So if you want to see graphical, and you can see the file would be here. So if you want to move any file, so you can see what other files inside there by using dir, and we already learned that command. So I want to move the PHP program to folder 1. In order to do that, I can type move and PHP program Python php program.php, and I'm going to type dot. I come to desktop and I'm going to type folder 1. Now the file would be moved. So if you open folder 1, and type DAL, you can see the PHP program.php is here. So if you want to see graphically, you can open the folder and see them. So this is what I need to teach you in this video, and we have learned how to copy file, how to move file, how to rename file, and so on and so forth. So these notes will be given in the description. In the next video, we're going to learn some more commands like this. In upcoming videos, we're going to dive into batch scripting. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you see in the next video.